Welcome back to Lifts and Drifts, and in today's video, I am building myself a tire rack. Now, because obviously we drift, I have a Corvette, Matthew has an E46, we have a lot of wheels and tires that piled up. We have this pile, we have this pile, and we have a pile right here, we got a pile right here. So it's just a huge mess right now, and I'm gonna take care of it today. So I have a bunch of this square tube and round tube. I have 1/8 thick steel that I'm gonna use as a 4x4 inch base that I'm gonna weld to the bottom of these tubes. They're cut to 10 feet, so the whole rack is gonna stand 10 feet high. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and a 4th row of tires. They're gonna be 76 inches wide and should fit about 6 to 7 tires. All right, there you go. There's that first post complete. Kind of a lot of splatter, but I'll fix the settings for the next one. 3 more of these. So this is the 2 posts standing. There's gonna be 2 more right here going this way. Now I'm gonna be cutting these tubes to go across them as rows. I'm gonna cut them at 72 inches, and I gotta cut 6 of them. After struggling with that dumb saw for a bit, this is what I got. I got 6 bars that'll go across and 4 posts that are ready to be welded up. I just need to cut 4 more posts that will go post to post as like a little support bracket, and I'll cut them out of these this square tubing. All right guys, it's a new day. Let's go ahead and cut the cross members for these ones. So I'm gonna cut 1, 2, and 3. 3 for each side, so 6 total. I already have them marked out here, so let's get to cutting. Got these 6 crossbars prepped and ready. They're gonna be going like this pretty much as supports. So there's gonna be 1, and then 2, and a 3rd one right here. And so there's gonna be, this is gonna be one side, there's gonna be another side right here. All right, here's one of the sides complete. Well, it ain't perfect, but I am self-taught, and that's okay. So, got 1, 2, 3 crossbars welded up. Now I gotta do the other leg, and then the actual tire stands. So, let's get to it. This is what it's gonna be looking like. I'm about ready to weld in these crossbars. All right, it's looking really good. Got 1 row of tires on here just to test it out. My calculations were very correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th tire right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So I got 4 more bars to weld in, and that's about it. All right, there you have it. The tire rack is complete. There's that 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of tires. So, you know, the welds aren't perfect, but for me being self-taught, that's all right. That's not bad at all. Took about, I don't know, 10 to 12 hours to build this, but obviously I'm learning, so it took a while, but still. I think it's pretty cool. Now it's just time to get all of this stuff out of the way and move this thing over there and stack them on and see how it'll look. All right, there you go. There's the final result. A lot of wheels, some tires. Obviously, it's still not enough. We have a bunch laying around still, but those we're selling, these we're mounting, so it's still better than all of them piled up halfway through the hallway. All right, so there you go. This is the tire rack that I built. If you guys are interested in something similar, let us know. Hit us up in the comments, DM us. We could definitely build something for you. Any size, any height, fully custom to your liking. We can build them 1 row, 2 row. We can build them for trailers. Just hit us up and lifts and drifts out.